Today we're going to work on building a number and then sketching that number so that we can see what an organized sketch should look like. So when we use our manipulatives, we have a 100 flat that has 100 units. We have a 10 rod that has 10 units together, and then we have ones. So we will use each of these as we build. If we were sketching a 100 flat, we sketch that with just a box to represent the shape. A 10 is represented by a line, and then a 1 is represented by an open circle or a closed dot. If we wanted to sketch the number 111, it would look just like that, and that would represent the build that we created. If we wanted to sketch a number like 54, then we would have a build that would have 5 10s and 4 1s, just like so. And then to sketch that, we would put 5 lines to represent those 5 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 4 1s. And if we wanted to then sketch the number 67, we would still keep those 5 10s here and add 1 more 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then 7 would look like this. So we would have a row of 5 and 2 more, or some students choose to do a row of 5 vertically and 2 more like that to make 7. So it's important that they keep those in those invisible 10 frames so that their brains is subitizing what that is. They don't have to individually count each one or each 10. Since we know 5 and 1 more is 6, or 5 and 2 more is 7. So then a sketch to show 67 would look something like this. And students again are keeping it in that invisible 10 frame, not only to help with subitizing and knowing quickly what that number is, but it also helps when we are staying organized when we go to add and subtract numbers, because we can easily group out a group of 5 when we are adding or when you're subtracting, and then we can circle up those groups of 10.